Children, a very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to Moral Science class Standard 1. Children, this is my second video of this week. In this video, again, same thing I will do. I will recall you the chapter. Chapter is here, chapter 6, and the name of the chapter, Truthfulness. And also you have seen how King Solomon saved a man by the speaking of truth. So in this chapter, what you all have learned, you should always speak the truth, and also you should always be ready for others' help. Now let's start. You all will do the what work related to this chapter. Like first, you will do the choose the correct answer, and first question is here: who was a truthful man? You know very well who was truthful man. This chapter, it is the based on King Solomon. So what will you write? What you will take? Solomon was a truthful man. Yes, he was a truthful man. He saved the man's life by the speaking of truth. Now next one is here: what can be achieved by following the path of truthfulness? What can be achieved, children? Success. Yes, if you will speak, what you will do, children? If you will speak truth, you can get success. So you should always speak the truth. By the speaking of truth, you can achieve success. You can achieve success. Okay, children. So what will you write? Take here, success. 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 Success can be achieved by the following the path of truthfulness. Now next one is here, and also it will make the person great. Now next one is here: the man resumed his chase. What is here? Question is here. Here it should be the full stop in the place of question mark. Here it should be the full stop, and question is here: the man resumed his chase. True or false? You have to take the answer. You have to say the answer in true or false. The man resumed his chase. True or false? It is false. Who resumed his chase? What? Enemy wants to resume his chase. But here is telling about the man. So here is the wrong statement. So for wrong statement, you will take the false option. Now next one is here: what was the Solomon carrying? He was carrying a basket, not a bucket. He was carrying a basket. 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 King Solomon was carrying a big basket. So A option is correct. Now next one is here: who did not believe Solomon? Who did not? Enemy think he is telling lie. It means he is telling lie and also making fun with me. See, he did not believe on Solomon. So who did not believe? Enemy did not believe on Solomon. So what will you take which is the correct option? A number. Enemy did not believe Solomon. Now next one is here: realize means. What do you mean by realize? Or I can say also, we can say, what is the meaning of realize? What will you say? To fill. Realize, it means to fill. Yes, to fill. TOFEEL. Fill. Realize means to fill. Realize means to fill. Now next one is here: who was after the man's life? What do you know about the who was after the man's life? Yes, same answer will be here also. Enemy was the after the man's life. So which is the correct option? A. Who was the man's life? You will say enemy was the man's life. And also know, children, about the Solomon. Solomon was a truthful man who saved the man's life by the speaking of truth. Now next one is here, 8 number: where did King Solomon put the basket? What will you say? He put the basket on his head. So which is the correct option? A number. What? Where did King Solomon put the basket? He put the basket on his head. And okay, children, now next one is here. After that, children, so these are the choose the correct option. You all will read this chapter and also you will complete the work in your copy. Now after that, it's time to speak the quotation. Today children, for revision purpose, I would like to revise you all the quotations. So with hope you all will listen and also try to learn after me. After me you all will speak with hard words. Okay children, you will also underline the hard words. Now start from 1 number quotation. 1 number quotation is here. Breathe not the, spelling of breathe, hard word I will speak you the 3 times. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. After me you just speak. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. Breathe not the sins of others so long as thou art thyself a sinner. Spelling of sinner, S-I-N-N-E-R, sinner. Breathe not the sins of others, O-T-H-E-R-S, others, so long as thou art thyself a sinner. Okay children, so here you can see, underline the hard word breathe, B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe, others. Okay, now sinner, so you will learn also, breathe not the sins of other so long as thou art thyself a sinner. Now next one is here, 2 number quotation is, O son of man. What it is here is asking, O son of man, neglect not my commandment. Don't neglect. So neglect spelling N-E-G-L-E-C-T, neglect. O son of man, neglect not my commandments. C-O-M-M-A-N-D, command, M-E-N-T-S, ments. O son of man, neglect not my commandments, if thou lovest my beauty. You will also underline the word of beauty, B-E-A-U-T-Y, beauty. O son of man, neglect not my commandments, if thou lovest my beauty, B-E-A-U-T-Y, beauty. Understood children? Now next one is here, 3rd number quotation. There is nothing sweeter. There is nothing sweeter. So you will underline the word of sweeter, S-W-E-E-T-E-R, sweeter. There is nothing sweeter in the world of existence, E-X-I-S-T-E-N-C-E, existence, than prayer, P-R-A-Y-E-R, prayer. There is nothing sweeter in the world of existence than prayer. Existence spelling E-X-I-S-T-E-N-C-E, existence. Understood children? Now next one is here. Come to the next quotation. Desire not for anyone for the things. You will also underline the word of desire, D-E-S-I-R-E, desire not for anyone of the things you not desire for yourself. Desire for yourselves, S-Y-O-U-R-S-E-L-V-E-S, selves. Okay children? Now next one is here. To give and to be generous are the attributes of God. So you will underline the word of generous and attributes, G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S, generous means sharing what you have. Okay, so to give and to be generous are the attributes. It is the good qualities. It is your you have advantage. So to give and to be generous, generous are the attributes of God, A-T-T-R-I-B-U-T-E-S, attributes of gods. Now next one is here. Ye are the fruits of one tree and the leaves of one branch. So what will you underline? Branch, B-R-A-N-C-H, branch, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. So ye are the fruits of one tree and the leaves of one branch. So children, these are the quotation 1 to 6. At home you all will revise. You will revise the hard words. With hard word you will learn. So one time again I would like to say you, after me you always speak. Breathe not the sins of others so long as thou art thyself a sinner. Again I am saying, breathe not the sins of others so long as thou art thyself a sinner. Now 2 number, O son of man, neglect not my commandments, if thou lovest my beauty. Now there is nothing sweeter in the world of existence than prayer. Next, desire not for anyone for the things you would not desire for yourselves. Okay, to give and to be generous are the attributes of God. And next one is a ye are the fruits of one tree and the leaves of one branch. So here is some hard words like breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, now sinner, SINNER, sinner. After that commandments, COMMAND, command MENTS, means commandments. Beauty, BEAUTY, beauty. Existence, EXISTENCE, existence. After that desire, DESIRE, desired. Generous, GENEROUS, generous. Attributes, ATTRIBUTES, attributes. Okay, now branch, BRANCH, branch. So children, I hope you all have understood. At home you all will learn all the quotations and also you will do the work in your copy. Choose the correct option. So I hope you all have understood. So for today, thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.